put the ground to the body, right? From the engine. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but that won't mess up nothing with the lights or nothing. It just won't work. The lights just won't work, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess we can start it without it being on there. Since you want to hear this thing blow up right away. My brother always told me, he said, every engine you paint it up, man. He said they never, he said.
Why would he say such a thing?
You could never, because it used to happen. That was way back when I first started working on them. I forget something and I have to take it to the shop afterwards, you know what I mean? Like, he said every time you paint up something, it never works. Ah, my brother, gotta love him. I think I'll wait on you back here too. I need somebody to hold a funnel while I'm putting the gas in. Or I could get a bungee. I could wait on you. You got a long way to go. Let me get a bungee. Bungee cord. The gas leak back on the ground.
That's something.
What you grinning like a chest cat for?
Man.
Huh?
Yeah, steering wheel's right.
It's a little different.
It's
See, you keep saying right. I'm saying different.
right.
I don't
the
know.
same thing, right?
I don't know what it's supposed to be, but
the same thing.
it's different.
We got some sparkage, so the light must be out.
Something lit up, and yeah.
Well, there shouldn't be nothing lit up.
It's just a light under it. Must be like,
Why?
I don't think that door jamb
thing is hooked
Maybe
up.
it's stuck. Yeah.
Bob, you supposed to have that hooked up already. It ain't where it's gonna burn, or is it? Spark?
I told you to hook it up.
Must be the other side. They hooked up.
Huh?
They hooked up. They just must not be working.
You sure you're hooked
They
up?
they dimming, but they ain't cutting off. They dim when you press it. Something ain't right.
Your buzzer's working.
Oh, it's working even with the key not in there.
Oh boy, you got some ground issues.
Oh, look, the windshield wiper trying to go. That's what that was, wasn't it?
Did you just try starting it?
Yeah. Oh, unplug that. This. Now the buzzer go off once I turn the key up. Woo! Fire right up. Scared me. I had to cut it right back off.
I think you jumped.
I cut it right back off. Hold on. Woo! That's good. First try. First try. Look at that. Well, you can't beat that. That's like a hammer with a drum with a hammer with a hole in it. Now what's going on with this crap?
You got ground issues.
Where?
Now it's shut off.
All right, now I'll fire back up. Let
Is
me
the
see.
light still on?
No.
Oh, now it finally worked.
No. Oh.
Yeah,
well,
now it's working. You completed the ground. Look at that. See, just you had to.
Bob magic. Woo, I love that. First fire, first try.
Man, don't get no better than that, bro.
Oh, what's up, my man?
Who gave you that nice engine?
First fire. It ain't been together all this time, and so we put gas in there and fire right up. First try.
Man,
Huh?
I need you to do my stuff.
Look at that. Hold on now. Hold on. Binky's ain't even done yet. What you can't.
Because he fucked around.
That's all we love around here is quadrojets.